So hi guys. Well, this is actually the code that we used for this part. Um, I'm gonna share this for you to Canvas, so don't worry about it if you cannot like get it like right now. So these are the initial conditions, initial part, and well, here that's the loop, pretty much exactly the same thing that I did on the last video. And well, we can actually see that pretty much everything is how we said it was going to be in the output. Because if you notice here, right here, we get the, the output that we expected to have, right? Because, well, it actually adds the value of I that you used to have. I'm talking about here, like this word. um, so we just like adding the value of I to the value of the addition, and well, it runs 4 times until the value of the addition is reached, and then it just stops running. Okay, so that's pretty much it.